During the course of a trial, some words and phrases will come up that jurors should fully understand. Some of them are procedural.
When a question is asked in a way that either counsel thinks is inappropriate, they will stand and make an objection, and then the judge, as the referee, will rule. If the question is appropriate, the judge will say that objection is overruled and the question will be allowed. If the objection is appropriate, then the judge will say that that objection is sustained and counsel will either have to withdraw the question or rephrase it.
A sidebar often happens during trial, and that's when one of the lawyers objects to, could be to a question or a piece of evidence, arguments that aren't supposed to be done before the jury. So the judge will ask the lawyers to come to what's called sidebar, which is next to the bench where the judge presides.
There are technical terms. The docket is the court record in which cases are listed or formally entered. An exhibit is a document, medical record, weapon, photo, or other object presented during the trial to support a claim of one of the parties. A subpoena is the legal document used to require a witness to come to court and testify under oath, where they are sworn to tell the truth.
Perjury occurs when someone knowingly tells a falsehood under oath.
A deposition is the sworn testimony of a witness taken under oath, questioned by lawyers on each side, but before the trial begins or outside of the courtroom, whereas an affidavit is one person's
sworn statement, a written document, usually signed.
A tort is basically a legal wrong. Most of the cases that in the civil side that end up going to trial are tort cases.
An indictment is a written account of the charges that a particular defendant faces.
Of course, there are many, many words and phrases and other things that may come up during a trial that a juror might not know. So every potential juror should know this.
If you don't understand something, you can ask the judge. It's not something that's wrong with you as the juror if you don't understand. It's something wrong with the way the case has been presented to you.
If you do have a question, in many states you can't just raise your hand during the trial and ask it. So write it down, hand it to the clerk or bailiff, and they'll make sure it gets answered.